For you to grow financially, you need to do the right things. And if you take a successful wealthy person today and compare with an average person, a poor person, or a middle class, there's no major difference between these three people. There's no major difference. The difference is into small areas. They differ in terms of attitudes, the way they perceive things, the way they think. They differ in terms of speaking. They differ in terms of action. So the difference is into small details. And this is why we say success is into small details. And these small details, repeated every day, is what distinguishes between the average person, the poor person, and the rich people. So, if you want to be successful, if you want to be rich, you have to distinguish yourself in terms of thinking, in terms of speaking, in terms of action, and in terms of results. Your difference will come through when you differentiate yourself. It's not the magic, it's not the rocket science that distinguish between the rich and the poor. You might find a successful person is successful because he's highly disciplined. He's disciplined on the way he do things. He spends time to think while others are spending most of time talking about other people. He spends time to do the things that matters, planning, reading, connecting to the right people. While the average and the poor people, they spend most of their time watching TV, reading the newspapers which are not adding no values, going around with the people who have no values. Now, if you take these two different people over the period of 5-10 years, they will definitely come to a different point where one is named a successful person and the other one is named an average or poor person. So there is no rocket science into getting rich. It's just the way you change your mind. It's just the way you change the way you speak. It's just the way you change the way you do things and achieve results that will distinguish yourself into becoming a successful or an average or a poor person.